iOS 16 is amazing, but you'll find some features missing from iOS 15. So in this video, we'll see which are those features and changes. After updating your phone to iOS 16, you'll notice a change on the lock screen. So here in iOS 15, we get the lock icon animation. And in iOS 16 also we get the lock icon animation, but it don't last too long. And also the lock icon is a bit smaller. It's not a big change, but if you carefully notice it, you realize the change. And if you use iOS 15 on a regular basis, and later when you switch to iOS 16, you'll notice this change. So when you put your iPhone to charge, you won't notice any change in the animation. But when you wake up the phone, there is a change. So in iOS 15, you get the battery percentage on the lock screen. And talking about iOS 16, you don't get the battery percentage. But you can add a widget that shows you the battery percentage. Usually also we could not see the battery percentage from the status bar, and we also had to swipe down from the control center to see the battery percentage. And on top of that, this thing. Honestly saying, after seeing this change, I found this to be a bit weird because we could see the battery percentage in iOS 15 but we can't in iOS 16. So the live wallpaper section also got removed in iOS 16. So previously all these really good Apple wallpapers we had in iOS 15 which are no longer available. So personally, I really loved using these live wallpapers and they were so cool. And it's really sad that Apple removed them with this software update. And there are not much articles telling why they removed these wallpapers in iOS 16. So dark mode on iOS 15 is really great. And we also get dual mode wallpapers, which automatically get adjusted to the theme. Suppose you're in light mode, it'll set the wallpaper to light mode. And when you're in dark mode, it'll make it in dark theme. And talking about iOS 16, we don't get any section like this that changes the wallpaper theme. You'll actually have to change it manually or set a set of wallpapers which will change when you set your phone to dark mode. And there's also a downfall, you only get a limited amount of wallpapers. So moving ahead, now there is a minor change in the music app. You might not even notice it. So in iOS 15 you get a bubble kind of thing while controlling the music playback and the volume controls, which you can simply drag and control. But we don't get this in iOS 16. Here we just get a simple layout and you can drag the sliders, but you don't get a bubble. I know this looks kind of clean, but it might be a bit tricky. Now that's not it. You can also delete the clock application, health application and farm application. It is not needed, but it's a change, which you'll notice if you ever try to delete these applications in iOS 15. And this thing was totally impossible in iOS 15. I know these were minor changes, but if you use your phone a lot, I'm sure you'll notice these changes. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And if you found some new information, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.